Okay, my name is Babakar. This is the owner of Touba Imports. I have African product from Senegal as far as incense, jewelry, all kind of earrings, and all them are handmade and from Senegal, West Africa. I have some bags. All of them from Senegal, West Africa, well made. And some African art, African clothing, like real dashikis, originally from Africa. Oil and incense, all kind of oil and incense. Jewelry, brass, silver, and I have African soap and shea butter right there. African soap and shea butter, real good moisturizing. And thank you for coming, for stopping by at my store. You're gonna be welcome. If you wanna have all African products, please welcome. And thank you very much for stopping by.